Bless up, y'all. It's your guy right here, Micaiah the pharmacist. You see these greens coming in right now, these collard greens. Everybody says after the first frost, these collard greens get a little bit sweeter. But if you want that, then you got to take care of them right now in the fall time. To maintain them through these months, what you're going to want to do is keep them covered up, keep the bugs off of them, do what you got to do that. You want to harvest them regularly. If you have any bad leaves like these right here, take them off, get them in the compost pile, and weed them. Keep all the weeds off of them. And companion plant with them. It's good to companion plant with any of your greens. Right here with my collard greens, I got them companion closely with my sage right here. Now, we love sage. Planted this like 5 years ago. It just keeps coming back. Love this smell, but the bugs hate this smell. So they stay away from my collard greens when I plant them next to the sage. And then this sage is really good for you. If you got a headache, sage tea, knock it out. Look it up. See all the good stuff that sage is for you. See all the good stuff about collard greens and why it's good for you. It's a lot of calcium in here, good for your bones. Check it out, man. But get with us here at Free Haven Farms. We want to show you how to grow your own just like this in your backyard like we doing. In the Grow Your Own Garden Club, y'all get in there, and then if you want some of these greens, you get it through a fresh box, all right? Click the link in the bio. Stay booty. Keep growing. Bless.